It's good, people's here, man. I'm driving in Mexico. You know what I'm saying? Passing through San Antonio. Quick look. Pacific coast is right there. The ocean is right there. We can see it. You know what I'm saying? Just driving through, being on the move. You know what I'm saying? Showing y'all what the roads look like in Mexico. Yeah, people, look at that. Pacific Ocean. Yo, I feel like, remember the movie with Jada Pinkett at the end? Driving through and she, you know what I'm saying, she was escaping the United States. Yeah, Tijuana. Set it off, yeah. Now I'm in Rio del Mar, Mexico. Yeah, I feel like Jada Pinkett just driving through Mexico. Cut all her hair off, the braids. That's the ocean right there. You know what I mean? One more look. Yeah, peoples, man, I'm on the move. I know what it is, man.